Maraming salamat, Alvin. Ang sunod na magtatanong, ito, kilalang kilala. Ito yung favorite ng mga Indiano dito. Jen, Pinay, Indian accent. Magtanong ka, accent ng India.
Oh my God! Okay. Good evening everybody. Good evening Mr. Level. How are you? Always good. Great. I don't have any much questions because all of them they asked already the things in my mind. So what I'm only thinking currently is what is your favorite song from Air Supply?
My favorite song in Air Supply
Yes, sir.
is Chances.
Chances. Can you sing little, please?
What little?
Little.
Three stanzas. Right?
Yeah,
Oh.
please.
Okay. There's a chance you will be there. I'd like to know the thrill. I'll find it out somehow. The chances aren't as strong.
Yeah!